This is the Trane RTU capacitor, which comes in a single or dual design. You'll most likely find the capacitor in the electrical compartment or attached to one of the three motors. If a unit has more than one capacitor, you may find them in other areas too. The capacitor's main job is to kickstart the motors. Once the motors are running, the capacitors help them run smoothly to use electricity efficiently. A technician will check the capacitor's MFD to make sure it's working properly. Please let a tech do this, as capacitors can be dangerous to handle. You don't need to swap them out unless one actually goes bad, and again, that's something a technician should handle. Real OEM capacitors are the right choice because they are rated correctly for the specific motors in the unit.